Hello everyone, it's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Thanks for tuning in today. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. These are the Makartt brand Blooming Nail Gel Polishes, and they are super fun and easy to work with. They do come in quite a few different colors, and I'm going to link everything down below in the description. This is what I did for all of them. There's a purple one at the end, and I mixed the blue and the pink together to achieve that color. This is the Kalolary brand magnetic nail holder. It is super cute and compact, very easy to use. And these are the nail tips that I got, as well as the sticky tack to stick them to the little holder. Take a nice fair size piece of sticky tack. I'd like to say a little bit is better than not enough, because then it'll stick really well. And just stick it right in the middle of your nail tip and smooth it out and spread it out. And then attach your holder to your magnet. And then firmly press your nail on. It stays put quite nicely. Then I forgot how much polish I needed for a nail that size, so yeah, that was a little bit of a lesson. I am using the Vinylux on this nail tip, and I will link the name of the color down below. And just applying the Vinylux top coat. The Vinylux product does dry in 8 minutes. It is fantastic. And there I am, obsessively polishing my nail sample. If you've seen any of my other videos, I definitely am an obsessive polisher. And then taking it apart, again, super duper easy. And then everything just fit in the little container. It was perfect. This is striping tape. I had purchased these containers from Amazon, and the striping tape I had in my drawer, and I don't know where I got it from. More than likely online. And that's how they look on the black. The colors are really hard to see in the dispensers, but once you put them onto a sample stick, you can really see how beautiful they are. And these nail foils, oh my gosh, were they ever adorable. The brands for the nail foils, I think I had about 3 or 4 brands. There was Lookathot, Ebanku, Akwox, and Sonku. And those were all from Amazon. The snowflake one you see right there, you couldn't actually see the design at all. So I just took a dark colored Sharpie marker and colored on the white paper. And these Halloween ones, oh my gosh, they just made me smile when I saw them. I'm actually really excited now for Halloween, and it's December 2020 when I'm filming this. And these spring and Valentine ones are super cute as well. However, the way it was packaged, the foils were, I think, originally just bended in half, but then they got squished and folded and crinkled right in the middle of every foil. So I decided to apply a little bit of like pressure to them and tape them down to paper, and then put them into a sheet protector to hopefully salvage that little bit, but it's not going to be that big of a deal. I'll still be able to get a lot of use out of all of these because I happen to have ordered quite a large lot of them. Some of these are just adorable. Like, look at that lipstick. How cute is that? And then these flowers right here. Oh my gosh. I think I ended up with actually 2 of that. I had a few duplicates in this shipment, and that's okay because I'll end up using them anyways. And the shoes on this one. Oh my gosh. And then I got a whole bunch where the printing is all backwards. I was going to toss them, but I thought, you know what? Someone might still like some of the stuff on there, so I just decided to keep them just in case. And these ones arrived in better condition. They were from a separate seller on Amazon, so I just added them to the book anyways. I might as well put all of them in the same spot. And these Pueen stamping polishes, oh my gosh, they are so pigmented. And the packaging is so cute. So this first color is number 804, Bright Yellow. And I am polishing the inside of the clear nail stick. That way I don't have to top coat it. This is 806 Pure White. I learned that trick from Talia from Talia's Nail Tales. So thank you, Talia, for that little trick. This is 816 So Red. And 809 Neon Pink. And 808 Sweet Pink. And this is 802, called Baby Blue. And this is 813, Mermaid Green. And 815, Amazon Moss. (803) Royal Blue. (812) Charmed Lilac. (811) Tropical Dusk. It's almost like a purpley gray color. And 805 Blackjack. So again, these are super pigmented. And these are On Vogue spider gels. I will be doing a video once all of my spider gels do arrive on how to use them. In this collection I picked up, I've got silver, black, white, and a gold. And then the Pueen stamping plates. Oh my gosh, these are good quality. They're nicely engraved. And these clear nail sticks are the Kulannder Direct brand. And then the scrub top I'm wearing here is the Cherokee brand. They are super comfortable, fit really big. So order a size down for sure, or even 2 sizes down. And this Corkboard is a Quartet brand. It's the economy line, but it's fantastic. And this phone holder, oh my gosh, it is an Iottie brand and it is so good. I really like it. I'll be dash mounting it eventually, but I even mounted it to the side of the fridge and it worked great. That little round holder is what dash mounts it. And the nail brushes I got are a Mwoot brand. And I haven't tried these out yet, but I'm super excited and they are absolutely gorgeous. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching my video today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye.